He dragged his ass.
Little cold. You get a cold ass?
You silly dog.
He is. He's a weird dog. Oh, what's cute? Hey, come here. Jasper. Stay with Mama. Come here. Jasper. Over here. Come here. Go inside. Let's go. Inside.
Come on.
Jasper, inside. Careful the leash, though.
Oh,
In!
hey, honey, I took this up to Jasper. Have the dogs walk each other.
Yeah, watch this. Hey, Jasper.
Daisy has a pet. Jasper has a pet.
Daisy? No. Daisy, come on. One's gonna go upstairs. Oh shit. Oh crap. One's gonna go upstairs and one's going down this. Daisy, come.
We'll go upstairs, Daisy. Wanna go home? Come on, you two.
Go on, you two.
Upstairs.
Upstairs. Uh-oh. Look out. Andrew, go, 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 go. Go. Going up.
Going up.
Go up, Jasper. Oh, Jasper. What am I getting, Jasper?
Is either he moves or he gets dragged by Daisy.
Yup.